Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
One. ये
2,
this is more sexy Nagan.
3,
This is more like I'm going to kill you. और एक मैंने अभी कल शूटिंग में यूज किया जिससे मैं आपको अपनी टेल में कर सकती हूँ.
okay.
So I'm going to like this और जिससे मैं आपको डंक मार सकती हूँ, ऐसे वो मार सकती हूँ. Will be मुंह खोला और वो टंग आएगी आपको.
That's it. So yes, Surbhi, I'll start with asking you, why did you take up Nagan?
So much confidence, there's so much boosting from somebody or from the team that they think that you're the right person to play it. Then you're not doing something wrong, because you have to in somebody's vision. In somebody's vision, if you have to believe in it, you have to believe in it. And that's what exactly happened with me. Everybody has done so much justice to their respective seasons that, it's asking for a lot. And we're humans. We're natural to draw comparisons. We're natural to feel, उसने ऐसा किया था लेकिन इसने ऐसा कैसे किया? But one thing I realized through this whole 3 months, that Surbhi, you have to understand that तूने कभी फैंटेसी वर्ल्ड या फैंटेसी जॉनर कभी टैप ही नहीं किया है, और तूने अपने आप को हमेशा चैलेंज किया है कि तू हमेशा बबली नहीं प्ले करेगी या तू हमेशा ऐसी नहीं रहेगी. तुझे कुछ नया भी तो करना है, because you have to see, you can't be stagnant, you have to see growth as an artist. That's what happened with me, and I thought that this show was going to challenge me. It is going to take away my nights where I'm going to think, अरे ये मैं कैसे करूंगी? How will that happen?
What was your first reaction when you saw yourself in this red glamorous avatar?
मुझे भी मिस्ट्री में डाला गया जब मुझे बोला कि कपड़े बन रहे हैं, but all we can tell you right now it's red in color. I said, oh, that's but when it came, I thought the style was fabulous. The team has worked hard on it. It's a lovely red with a lot of dull gold work. There's all of this. There are some long earrings. There's a lovely nut. This, you have stuff in the hand. You have stuff in the feet. मैंने आपको देखा और मेरे पिक्चर्स पे देखा, and I said, no babe, it's good. सिर्फ ये है कि खाने पे sacrifice करना है.
What was your initial inhibitions when you had to come to Nagan set? Because although minimum crew hai, but there are of course people around you.
They have a certain guidelines which they have to follow. It is artist's responsibility. It is production responsibility. And that's what is happening on our set. Everybody is so, careful. They know what they want, they have to do. So we are always entering and stepping on the set only once we are checked with our temperatures, with our oxygen levels.
When people were like, Hina is playing it and you were still a secret, what was going in your mind? Were you enjoying all the killing?
There's a certain protocol,
of course,
which is followed. Also more like that, I think I love mystery. I love mystery around me, around my life. So I ऐसा है कि मैं बात रह सकती है. But it's nice when people speculating.
But did Hina tell you anything about it because you're playing her reincarnated role?
Hina messaged me. Hina said, Surbhi, this is a tough show, baby. And I have always admired her. We've met at award functions.
Yes.
She's also been so kind to, I was doing my previous show. She messaged me saying that I want you to come for my premiere of the film and all that. The kind of warmth she gives out, it is amazing. Yes. And she genuinely has looked stunning. And I told her that she slayed her role and how. And it's going to be tough to live up to what she's left behind.
Right.
My also regret was to share probably, us together in, maybe a, space together.
Be it Anika or Ishani, you've just lived these characters. I mean, people, if you just mention these names, people just remember you. I mean, was it important also to break that image, because all these characters are so different from each other? Is it a conscious decision on your part to always take up different roles?
I'm selfish, I'm hungry, and I want to see myself growing.
Right.
I don't want to be in that comfort zone या उस शेल में रहूं जहां मुझे मालूम है मैं जो इंसान हूँ सुरभि चांदना हंसती खेलती वही कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करूं safely, or because people are going to love me. The idea is to break from one to another. With Nagin, I knew that, of course, there are pressures, responsibilities. Keeping aside, it's also a fantasy world I have never. It's a world I have never done.
Every season there were 2 girls and 1 guy. This is the only season where there is 1 girl and 2 guys.
It started off different.
Yes, it is. So tell me, how is it to actually build chemistry with 2 people, because दोनों के साथ very different equations हैं.
The best thing is both come with a certain experience. I am newly Nai Naveli Dhulan, new Dhulan in front of them. I am relatively new, like I say. They are more experienced and they know their craft so beautifully. चाहे वो मोहित सहगल हो, चाहे वो शरद मल्होत्रा हो. Sharad comes with working with Balaji is what I know of, and he knows that there's a certain pattern, there's a certain style they follow, and with Mohit comes with his kind of experience. So it is also, you know, what helps is the right backing of script, and if both दोनों जोड़ियों के लिए अच्छे तरीके से लिखा है तो मुझे लगता नहीं इतनी तकलीफ होती है. But it's fun. It's also a challenge, but it's fun.
So a small mini Nagin 5 quiz for you. Who were the leads in Nagin 1? Season 1. All 3 leads.
Moni, Ada, Bijlani.
Yes. Names of films where Sridevi played Nagin.
Nagina.
And एक और.
But no, I don't know the second one.
It's Nigahe.
Nagina Nigahe. Huh?
Yes. Which Bollywood actor played a Nagin in the film? She played a Ichhadari Nagin in his.
Malika Sherawat.
Awesome. How many Nagins were there in the last season?
Bad question.
Nagin 4.
Nia.
हाँ.
My Shantini.
Shantini, yes. और एक और.
रश्मि देसाई.
नहीं, अनीता हसनदानी.
हिना तो हमारे साथ है, हाँ?
हाँ, अनीता हसनदानी.
Anita, yeah. Oh,
yes.
She's stunning. Yeah.
Yes. Tell me any 3 Ichhadari animals that has been part of the Nagin franchise. There have been many animals.
Sorry.
जैसे नागिन है, there are Ichhadari animals who have been part of the Nagin franchise.
Cheel.
हाँ.
Cheel. There has been Jyoti's season. I know there was somebody. Rajat was playing Tokus.
Yes.
I don't know what that was. हाँ. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं उसे?
नेवला.
नेवला. और एक और?
और एक और.
कौन?
चील से रिलेटेड थोड़ा सोचो.
बता दो.
वल्चर.
Oh, Vulture. Okay. Vulture कौन से सीजन में था?
Last season, 3rd season. And last question: while you are the Sarvashreshth Adi Nagin Nageshwari, who plays Nagrani in Nagin?
Nagrani, Hina.
No, she's also Nageshwari ना, Nagrani.
नागरानी जो सबसे बड़ी वाली है.
हाँ, नहीं, you are सबसे बड़ी, आपके नीचे जो है second वाला.
ये मेरे को ना समझ में नहीं आता है, मुझे माफ कर देना, इसके लिए मुझे गाली नहीं पड़नी चाहिए.
मैं हिंट दे रही हूँ, अपने नाम के बारे में सोचो.
अपने बारे ज्योति ने प्ले किया है.
हाँ. Thank
ये
you,
मेरे को समझ
Surbhi.
ये कैसा होता है, मेरे को बताओ ना, कहाँ ऊपर नीचे नीचे
So
नीचे.
Nagin, then Nagrani, and then Sarvashreshth Nagin, which is you of course. आप सबसे
नागिन.